Well, welcome students. We are going to understand another important part of speech, which is adjective. Today we will understand about adjectives. We will understand about different kinds of adjectives. So firstly, let's understand what are the adjectives. Most of you are familiar about adjectives. What is the basic purpose of adjectives? That they add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. We can say they qualify or they modify the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. They are generally used before the noun, but sometimes they are also used after the linking verb or the intransitive. If an article is there along with the noun, then they come after the article and before the noun. So these are the basic features of adjectives, how they are used in a particular sentence. So let's begin and understand. An adjective is a special word which adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. It modifies or it modifies or qualifies. It modifies or qualifies. It modifies or qualifies what? A noun or a pronoun. Modifying means limiting the meaning and qualifying means adding something, enhancing the meaning. It comes before the noun, between an article or noun, article and noun, and if it is not coming before the noun or between an article and noun, then it will come after the linking verb. And after the linking verb of the form to be. We know that there is a verb be and it has many forms. So after the verb of the form be. Okay. So this is the total summary. An adjective adds something to the quality of a noun or pronoun. It modifies or simply qualifies the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. And regarding the position, how it is written, if an article is there along with the noun, then it will come in between. It comes before the noun always, and in some cases when it is not before the verb, it is not there, then it comes after the verb. And which verb? Linking verb, a verb of the form to be, and it also comes after intransitive verbs. And after intransitive verbs. The horse, gave him, the horse gave him a hard kick. We can say a powerful kick. He is a gentleman. These are the examples. I have a black dog. So these are the mixed examples. Let's proceed further. I hope you have understood what is the definition and how it is used in a sentence. So let's understand different kinds. There are 6 kinds. Adjective of quantity and number, adjective of quality, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, participial adjectives. Let's understand which are these. There are 6 kinds. Number 1, adjectives of quantity and number. That means they tell you about countable and they are used with countable and uncountables. Adjectives of quantity and number. Second, adjectives of quality demonstrative adjectives, participial adjectives, the adjectives which are used, from, we can say, which are made from participles. Participles work as adjectives, and there are participles like present participle and past participle. So these are used. Participial adjectives, adjectives of question. Adjectives of question ask you the question. The first one, adjective of quantity and number, it asks you adjective of quantity, you write it separately, adjective of number. Okay, adjective of number. Here adjective of quantity will ask you how much. It will answer this question, how much. Adjective of quality will ask what kind. What kind. Okay. Demonstrative adjectives will point out. These will point out noun. Point out noun. Participial, they add to the meaning. And adjectives, they ask question. Adjectives of number, they tell how many. So this was a brief introduction about the kinds. Now we will understand these kinds one by one with certain examples. So let's proceed and understand the first one. That means the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. As I have told you, adjective of quantity is used, as it is understood, it is used with some uncountable nouns, and it answers the question how much. So let's see. See the example. These adjectives are used with uncountables. There is little hope for his recovery. He has done a lot of work. So what is adjective? I am underlining it. He has left much work. He has left much work. They have high opinion of him. They have high opinion of him. So here you can understand that how these are used. These are used with uncountables, and these underlying words tell you about the adjective of quantity. Now we will understand about adjective of quality. Adjective of quality tells you what kind of noun is there. It tells you what kind of noun is there. It tells you something like something about the noun. Adjective of quality, it tells you what kind. Adjective of quality is the most popular adjective. It is used almost with every type of noun. So let's understand. He has a black dog. This boy is honest. I met a gentleman yesterday. He is a bright student. He is a bright student. So here these underlined words are adjectives of quality. I hope you have understood the kinds of adjectives. You have got some idea how adjectives are used in a sentence and where these are used. And we have also understood adjectives of quality, and we have understood adjective of quantity. Now in the next class we will understand about other adjectives. So I hope your understanding has grown regarding the adjectives. Now before I end the class, I want to remind you, if you are a regular student, recommend the channel. But if you are a new student, then subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.